Oh man. You join me on the first meters literally that I've driven on my new bike. I'm back on the street triple and I freaking love it. And as is tradition, I always pick them up in the rain, apparently. Oh man, this is slightly overwhelming. I might just shut up and just enjoy the roads for a bit, even though it's a bit wet. I forgot to put my earplugs in. Ah, well. Taking the non-motorway route home anyway, so it's not too bad. Not gonna go any faster than 80 anyway. I know they said they made the bars wider. Oh man, that suspension. Sorry. I know they said they made the bars wider. But I don't think I can feel the difference particularly. But then again, I've also just come from the BMW, who said extremely wide bars. Maybe in the direct back-to-back or something, I'd be like, oh yeah, this is way nicer. But honestly, can't really tell the difference. It's interesting. So must be a Pirelli thing, because are you going? No. Initially I was like, oh, these tires are kind of, well, not flat, but they don't feel as nimble as I expected. So this is my first time also on the Pirelli Rosso 4s. Not the Corsa, just the normal ones. And I expected them to be more like the Super Corsas. In the sense, like, but once the Super Corsas are warm. So like quite a bit peaky, you know, like they want to fall in quite quickly. And they definitely didn't give me that impression initially, but I guess they also have a bit of that Supercorsa heritage in that they feel quite sort of slow when they're not warm. But that's a nice, but they do warm up a lot faster. The Supercorsas at this speed would, at 15 degrees, they just would not get warm ever. Whereas these now feel like they're up to temperature and they start to want to move in a bit quicker. So that's good to know. Oh, it's good to be back. It's so good to be back. God, I love that thing. Go home, get changed, sort insurance. Fucking fantastic. I'll talk to you soon when I find somewhere to stop. Bye bye. Alright. You join me back from on my way to the San Bernardino Pass. Still riding her in. I mean, just at like 100k on it or something, but looks pretty good, doesn't it? Looks pretty good. Hope the weather will hold up. But damn, son. Yeah, the R90 was pretty, but this is something else. Especially in the red. Man, I like the red. Really like the red. Let's do this. Let's hope I don't get too soggy. Oh, no way! I've been here! I know where I am. This is like the Devil's Gorge, or like a Devil's Gorge. There's a bunch of them. Came back here, came through here in the car once when I took my wife up the Splügenpass. This is why you don't overtake into like blind bends, because like it looked clear, but there was a car hidden in that other bend. So you never know. Wonder if this was a bad idea. Well, this is one way to scrub in your tires. God, she's gonna need a clean. Whoa. So bad. I wonder if I should stay down there, wait for the rain to stop. Alright. You can probably tell that it's not raining anymore. And that's because I gave up. This is like my 4th attempt at going up the San Bernardino Pass. Ever since I've lived here. And it's just never meant to be. Usually it's, I don't know, tour is too long and I decide like, oh, I should probably head back. But this time it's just straight up absolutely gushing it down. So I thought doing tight switchbacks and serpentine corners and stuff in the pouring rain on new tires was not fun. No, well, I mean, I knew it might be a bit like rainy today and I'm probably gonna hit another shower briefly, but like, yeah, it's one thing to kind of hit a brief shower and one thing to be stuck in one for ages up a mountain pass, and especially when it gets colder up there. Yeah, just suboptimal, pretty suboptimal. So I decided to turn around. Maybe I could do it on the weekend. Yeah. Or I'll just stick to some shorter ones and then do that one. Once I've got the first service out of the way and cruise control installed, because 150 kilometers on the motorway wasn't a lot of fun either without cruise control. Not when you're used to it. But yeah, the bike is utterly filthy now, so I'm probably gonna go home and wash it if it's not like raining when I get home. Yeah, what you gonna do? I think this bit is going to be fairly boring, but I thought I'd give you a quick update. And then I'll see you next time, hopefully when the weather's better. And we can do another couple of mountain passes on the new Street Triple. See you then. Bye bye.